Okay, so we're just doing a fucking quickie. Haven't had time to record holidays and all. You know how it is. My wife left for the day and took my keys, but I did find my spare set, so I was able to get in the garage. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm scared to open this fucking thing. If I throw up on film, oh. Yeah, I mean, it could be worse. These are all emergency rations. Hey, could be worse. Still smells like death. I'm gonna get this out of here, and then hold on, I'll show you. I don't know if you guys have been up here. This is the upstairs. It is a fucking disaster. Bug parts, antiques, fucking anything you can think of. But what we are looking at is this old ass Craftsman drill press. It's a Craftsman 150. It does work. I sold a lot of stuff, but I kept this, so we have to figure out how to get this and possibly this bandsaw. It needs new tires and probably blades, but the motor works, everything works. It just tracks off to the side. Let me see if I can see it. Probably not, because I don't have a fucking flashlight on me. Anyways, let me see if I can come this way. You see this? See how it's hanging off? That's because this tire is wore the fuck out. And so it's like cocking it, so it's running off the wheel. This one I replaced the tire, so it's fine up here, but once you get down here it's all fuckered, and that causes this shit and the blade to be all wonky. You don't like your blade wonky, know what I'm saying? Ah! Alright, so this little fucking shindig is gonna go downstairs. Yep. Let me see if I can find a model number. I looked it up before, so I know there's one on it. Oh, maybe. Ugh. 103. That's too dark. 24530. Sears Roebuck Company. I'm guessing it's probably from the 50s or 60s. That's my best guess. Hell, I could be way off. I don't know. It looks kind of Art Deco-ish. Had another one. It was a Delta Rockwell. Same brand as this. This is a Rockwell. Rockwell International Tool Division. But it was the same brand as this. It was cool. This one just looked so much cooler. I mean, the other one probably would have did me better, or the same, I don't know. But this one just looks fucking awesome. Fucking awesome. Ooh, look at, we got restoration goodies. Oil cans. Torches. Oil cans. Hold on. We got more stuff. It's not enough time in the day for all the shit that I want to restore. This is fucking light. It's a Stanley Handyman, I think. No. A Yankee number 30. Huh. It's like a drill thingamabobber. You push on it and it spins, but obviously it needs fucking cleaned. Or it might just be a ratcheting, but there's all kinds of shit. Anyways, I'm gonna move that shit outdoors. You can see there's fuck yeah. It's never ending. It's never ending. The hoard. Gotta get rid of this elevator in the spring. You can see where I got stuck in my Jeep over there. I was trying to empty out that container and got stuck. I got stuck there, but I got a winch, so that was pretty good. Got more junk back there. That's a lot of bug parts. All kinds of shit. Boat. You want a boat? Anybody want a boat? Free of charge. It's a 60s Chris Craft. 30-foot-ish. Okay. I'll be back. Okay, we got it to its new home. I'm not gonna bolt it down yet because I think I want to move some shit around. I would like to have the bandsaw right next to it, but with these toolboxes here, everything's fucked. So, I don't know. We'll see. But, I do have a vise that goes on here. Here, let's, see if it works. Sorry for the fucking shakiness. Oh, can you guys see where the plug is? Oh, God, fuck. Oh, shit. Whew. That almost hit me in the fucking dome. Almost fucking died. Can you hold that for me? Thanks. Thanks for all your fucking help. Put the fucking outlet in upside down. Fucking bastards. Yeah, that number is 103. Focus. 103-24530. It's not in bad shape. This almost fucking killed me. You guys didn't even fucking try and help. You didn't warn me or anything. Fuck that guy. Fuck his head. He don't need his fucking brain. Ready? Oh. Oh. Spin, spin, spin. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Stick your fingers in that motherfucker. I need to get like a digital tachometer so I know how fast this shit's going. Heard. And I oiled this up because it wouldn't spring back by itself before. So yeah. Huh. Let me go grab the vise. Okay. There's the little vise I got. Goes on an angle. It goes flat. Of course I don't have a fucking screwdriver in it. Or pliers. Or ratchet. Or socket. Or wrench. Or anything like that. Oh well. You guys get the fucking gist. God. Okay. Till next time. Deuces.